Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. With two people in our household working from home, we are always trying to find ways to create more private and soundproof spaces to work from. These sound panels from Focusound have been a huge upgrade to this home office space in our basement. So we were looking for an easy way to dampen the noise between our basement home office and the dining room upstairs. This set of 24 wall panels was a really easy solution. It's made from this nice high density foam. It's very soft and squishy, and it's really easy to use these panels. They came with 240 pieces of these really strong double-sided tape dots. So you simply place 5 of the little dots onto the panel and remove the backing, and then you can place them on the wall or wherever you like. So we decided to place the foam panels onto this thin board, and then we were able to screw it all one piece into the ceiling of the basement. So it was an open, unfinished ceiling, so it actually added a little bit of a finished element and allowed us to put them all up in one shot. So we're really happy with that. I was wondering how well this adhesive would work because it was just these little dots, but let me tell you, that adhesive is super strong. It has held so well. There is no sign of these panels falling down, and we are really happy with not only the way that they look, but they really do an awesome job. We have definitely noticed a decrease in the noise that we hear through the floor between our two spaces, and it has just been a huge lifesaver. So these sound panels are awesome. We absolutely love them. They have made a huge difference in the amount of noise that we hear through the floor. So I would definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.